Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with the...
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Monster in the sky!
And on my birthday, why can't you care about me?
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. Recon unit, guns are spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down there. I have our paperwork, number one.
Affirmative on the negative, number one.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, though?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
What? Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. 2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Why, good lucky?
Love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child. Bringing contaminated. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the evidence. They spread out and locked it down.
I'm watching you. Always watching. Easy.